Understanding fanciful. Exploring imagination in IELTS vocabulary. Imagine a world where reality and fantasy intertwine, where the boundaries of possibility are pushed to their limits. This is the realm of the fanciful, the word we will explore today in our journey towards IELTS vocabulary mastery. Word type. Fanciful is an adjective. It is pronounced fanciful with the stress on the first syllable. Meaning, fanciful describes something that is not based on fact or reality, but rather on imagination or whimsy. It often refers to ideas, stories, or designs that are creative, unrealistic, or improbable. The term can be used to describe both positive attributes such as inventive thinking and negative ones, like impractical or far-fetched notions. Word history. The word fanciful has its roots in the Middle English word fancy, which itself comes from the contracted form of fantasy. Fantasy originated from the Greek fantasia, meaning imagination or appearance. The suffix full was added to create the adjective, denoting something full of or characterized by fancy. Antonyms. Some antonyms of fanciful include realistic, practical, factual, and down-to-earth. These words represent the opposite of fanciful, emphasizing a grounding in reality and practicality rather than imagination. Synonyms. Synonyms for fanciful include whimsical, fantastical, imaginative, fancied, and chimerical. These words all share the quality of being detached from reality and rooted in creativity or imagination. Examples used in sentences. The artist's fanciful depictions of underwater cities captured the imagination of gallery visitors. Despite his fanciful ideas about time travel, the scientist's more practical inventions earned him widespread recognition. The child's fanciful tale of befriending a dragon brought smiles to her parents' faces. The architect's fanciful design for the new library, resembling an open book, won the international competition. Common errors in use. One common error when using fanciful is confusing it with fancy, which means elaborate or sophisticated. While both words are related to imagination, fancy is often used to describe something luxurious or ornate, whereas fanciful refers to something imaginative or unrealistic. Another mistake is using fanciful when a more specific or contextually appropriate word would be better. For instance, in formal academic writing, it might be more suitable to use terms like speculative or hypothetical instead of fanciful when discussing theoretical concepts. In conclusion, mastering the word fanciful enhances your ability to describe imaginative and unrealistic ideas precisely. Its rich connotations allow you to paint vivid pictures with your words, a valuable skill in the IELTS exam. Remember, fanciful ideas may seem impractical, but they often lead to innovative solutions and creative breakthroughs. Embrace the fanciful in your vocabulary and watch your language skills soar to new, imaginative heights.